Hi and welcome to Dr. Mix. This is a signal test for you. Enjoy.